In number one, they want you to convert these votes and these votes into scientific notation. So if Obama was 2,750,000, I want to take this number and I want to place a decimal in between two digits that make this number between 1 and 10. 2.75 is just that. So 2.75 times 10 to the, well, how many decimals would I need to move to the right to get to the spot after that last 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I say 10 to the 6. So for McCain, it was 916,000. The number between 1 and 10, I make a number, I make 9.16. And then I say times 10 to the, well, how many spots do I move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For corrections, represent the following numbers in scientific notation. Note, there are two problems here. For number two, you want to compute the following products or quotients. Answers should be represented in scientific notation. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to multiply. This is multiplication. I'm going to multiply 2.25 and 6.5. I get 14.625 times 10 to the, now we're going to add these exponents, so we should get -2 and 6. So -2 plus 6, we should get 4. Now the problem with this is that this question is not between 1 and 10. So if I move this decimal place one place to the left to make that number between, this is a number between 1 and 10. So what I'm going to do is now say times 10 to the, well, I moved it back a spot, so I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to go. I have one more decimal place to go. In this case, it is no different than the previous one. Now I'm just going to divide. 5.75 divided by 5 is 1.15. Now, with multiplication, we added the exponents. With division, we are going to subtract. So we're going to subtract the exponents. 3 minus a -10. 3 minus a -10 is actually positive 13. For this problem, your corrections are to multiply or divide, represent final answer in scientific notation. Mind you, there are two problems to do. How many significant digits are in the number 5,068,000? The answer is 4. And the way that we can tell this is we're going to pretend that we want to put this number in scientific notation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we want to put this number in scientific notation, basically the answer to find significant digits is to count the number of digits in the first factor. 1, 2, 3, 4. For your correction, answer the question, how many significant digits are in 0.00304?